Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer moisture sensor holder. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new moisture sensor holder. The moisture sensor holder holds the moisture sensors. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the sensor dry system isn't working and the clothes aren't drying properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door and reach inside the drum. Once you have the door open, we're going to reach in and take the lint filter out. All you got to do is pull it out and set it aside. And we can reach in with a Phillips screwdriver and take out the screws that hold on the screen. If the screws don't come out, you can always get them out later when we pull the screen off. We're also going to take out the second screw in the middle. This is the one that holds the moisture sensor holder onto the grill. Once you have that out, then we can pop the grill off. And that gives us access to the screw that holds the other end of the moisture sensor holder in place. Once you have the screw out, we're going to carefully pull the wires off. Once you have the wires off, you want to make sure that they don't fall back down inside the dryer cabinet, otherwise you'll have to find them. Then we can grab any screws and the moisture sensor holder and pull it out of the dryer. We have to take the moisture sensors out of the holder, so we're going to turn it over, and then on the back side there's these little locking tabs that we have to press with a little flathead screwdriver. We're just going to press those in. Once you have it bent in, we can push the moisture sensor through, pull it out on the other side, and then pull the other end out. Once you have them both out, we can grab the new holder. Here's the old moisture sensor holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to put the moisture sensor in the holder first before we put it in the dryer. So we're going to hook this end in first and lower it down, push the other end in. This one goes in the same way. We can turn it over. We're going to use the flathead screwdriver to bend the locking tab out a little bit to hold it in place. Once you have them locked in, we can put it in the dryer. To put the new moisture sensor holder in, we're just going to connect the wires. On this one, it doesn't matter which wire goes where. All you have to do is plug them on so you get a good connection. And we're going to put the locating pin down into the screw hole, and we can attach the screw on the other end. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the grill in. Just going to set it in place and make sure it goes all the way in on each side. There's a locating pin that goes in each hole here too. Once you have it in, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can put the lint screen back in, close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.